Welcome back to Product Critique, where we bring you the best in pool care. Today, we're excited to share the best swimming pool winter skimmer cover, the Pool Skimmer Plug for Hayward skimmer covers. If you're preparing your above-ground pool for the cold winter months, this product is the perfect solution to keep your pool safe from freezing temperatures and ensure that it's ready to go when the warm weather returns. The Pool Skimmer Plug is designed for those who want a hassle-free, cost-effective way to protect their pool skimmers during winter. No need for any draining or complicated setup. Simply push the plug into place, and you're done. It's that easy. This plug is specifically crafted to fit Hayward skimmer models, so it's ideal for many popular above-ground pool setups. Made from high-density foam, this skimmer plug provides outstanding durability and reliability. It's UV and chemical resistant, ensuring that it will hold up throughout the winter, protecting your skimmer and pool plumbing from any freezing or damage. And if you've had issues with debris or leaves entering your pool during the colder months, this plug offers the added benefit of keeping your pool clean by blocking those unwanted elements. You won't have to worry about dealing with a messy pool when you reopen it come springtime. It's not just about keeping the cold out. This plug improves your pool's overall performance too. By closing off the skimmer, it enhances skimming efficiency, so you'll experience better debris collection during the rest of the pool season. Whether you have a small or large pool, the design and functionality of this plug work wonders in keeping your pool in top shape. So, if you're looking for a winter solution that's both effective and simple to use, the Pool Skimmer Plug is the answer. It's a high-quality, durable product that provides peace of mind knowing your pool is protected all winter long. That wraps up today's review. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss any of our future product critiques.